Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you an easy way to clean a rug. So the first thing you want to do is give it a good vacuum to get all the loose debris off. This rug is sat under our table where my two toddlers have eaten every meal for the last several years, so it's got plenty of debris. Alright, next we need to get some soapy water onto our rug, and then we're going to pressure wash it. So if you have a pressure washer with a detergent tank or two like this, what we're going to do is just put a little bit of Dawn in here diluted with some water and then spray it right onto the rug. So the ratio I used was 3 ounces of Dawn and 1 gallon of water. The next time I do this, I'll probably lower that ratio just for time's sake. The more soap you use, the longer it's going to take to rinse it out. I think you'd be okay with 2 ounces of Dawn in a gallon of water, or maybe even just 1 ounce of Dawn. If your rug is extra dirty, then maybe you want to err on the side of more soap, but for me, I would definitely err on the side of less soap just for time's sake. If your pressure washer doesn't have a detergent tank, you can just use a bucket and mix your Dawn in the water and dump it on your rug. In that situation, you probably would want to use a stiff bristled brush or a broom and spread it out and scrub it in a little bit. But if you have a soap tank on your pressure washer, then you don't have to do any scrubbing. So I let that soap soak in for a few minutes, and then it's just a matter of pressure washing the rug and rinsing out all the soap. And just a word of warning, you do this at your own risk, and I wouldn't recommend this for antique, expensive, or natural fiber rugs. I would only pressure wash synthetic rugs. So having said that, I started out with a 40-degree spray tip, something a little more on the gentle side. And obviously, as you can see here, I started off spraying the top side of the rug. And I'm not showing all the spraying just for time's sake. Then I flipped the rug over and rinsed it out from the bottom, and just a fair warning, rugs can be pretty heavy when they're wet. And then, still using that same 40-degree spray tip, I flipped the rug back over and rinsed it out from the top again. Then I switched over to a 25-degree spray tip for a more aggressive clean and just kept going over the rug until the water ran clear and all the soap was gone. And just for the record, that's about as powerful of a tip as I would use. I wouldn't go past a 25-degree spray tip. Then I hung it over the railing of my deck to dry. And even used my blower to speed up the process a little bit. Alright, it's all done. I went ahead and hit it with the vacuum one more time just because it has some grass blades on it and stuff from being outside. But it's a lot cleaner. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.